to all. Vidhi, Hitar. Yes. Okay, okay. So you're getting what I've said just now. Bijang, why we are using will come to know now. But the concept, how to find the Bijang is clear to you, and to Hital also. Uh, yes. Okay, so now we'll check it out for application where we can apply this digit sum. Basically, digit sum is applicable everywhere in the maths. I'll just give you a simple example. 32 plus 25, suppose. What is the answer for this? 7, 5, correct? Now we'll find the Bijang for this. What is the Bijang for 3 and 2? Correct? Yes. Am I clear? So, same we got here. 3, 3. Getting this or no? Yes, Vidhi. You got the concept of this Bijang? How we find this 3? See, correct, 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 correct. But you have to see what calculation we are doing. What we are doing? Addition. Correct? We are doing plus of this 2. So we have to add this Bijang. Then only we'll get the same answer. Understood? So if suppose single digit we are checking 5 minus 3. But this is the single digit. So 5 minus 3 will get 2. So if we'll do this way, 5 Bijang is 5 and this is 3, then you'll get answer 8. Correct. But what we have to do, what we are doing here, that we have to calculate. We are doing subtraction. So you'll subtract this, then only you'll get the same answer. Got it? Okay. You, Vidhi? Okay. So try for this. Okay. Give me the answer for this. Hmm. Yes. You also got the same thing. 64 is the answer. What is the digit sum? 2. How come? What is the answer for this? 64. This is 10, so it should be 1, no? Sorry. No, 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 I'm not getting. No, no, okay, okay, no. Only this we have to verify. No, this is what the answer is. इसका तो digit sum एक ही रहेगा. ये verify करना है ना. How we can verify? When we have two things, then only we can verify. Correct? One part is clear. One part is clear. We got one. But how we will verify that question का भी one आ रहा है कि नहीं? So here it will be 13. That means 4. Here it will be 3. So you'll subtract this. You'll get 1. So it will be verified. Correct? Okay. So now try for multiplication also. 38 multiply by 2. इतना टाइम नहीं लगना चाहिए. It should be quick. What is 38 twos are? 16 and 7, 76, correct? Yes. This will give us 13 again. So 4, this is 2, this is 11 again. So 2, 2 twos are 4 again. Got it? Yes, Vidhi, you got it? Clear? समझ में आ गया. अब ये क्यों यूज होना चाहिए, करेक्ट. एप्लीकेशन कहाँ होना है वो भी हमें समझ गया, कैसे ढूंढना है वो भी हमें पता चल गया, बट ये कहाँ यूज होना चाहिए और क्यों यूज होना चाहिए वो हम समझते हैं. इफ सपोज हमने बच्चे को क्वेश्चन दिया है 382 माइनस 174, ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे मिस्टेक क्या करेगा बच्चा इन नॉर्मल मैथ्स, 2 माइनस 4 करेगा नहीं, he'll do this way, correct. He'll get 804. बट इफ सपोज उसने ये यहाँ पे लिखा ही नहीं है, द 7 ही फॉरगॉट टू राइट, ये 8 से ही वो करेगा, he'll get 1, करेक्ट. सॉरी, करेक्ट करेक्ट, सॉरी, यस, करेक्ट. अब बच्चा मिस्टेक क्या करता है, कैरी फॉरवर्ड ले लेता है, बोरो कर लेता है, लेकिन वाइल डूइंग दैट सब्ट्रैक्शन ये यहाँ पे अगर लिखा नहीं होगा उसने, या लिख दिया है बट डूइंग द कैलकुलेशन हिल माइनस फ्रॉम 8 and 7, हिल गेट 1, करेक्ट. अब इसका डिजिट सम करते हैं हम, दिस व्हाट विल गेट 2, बिकॉज 8 and 1 इग्नोर करेंगे, 2 एज इट इज लिख देंगे. इसका भी डिजिट सम हम करते हैं, देन 3 8 11, 11 प्लस 2 13, सो 4. यहाँ पे भी सेम करेंगे, 12, सो 3. इसका आंसर क्या मिला 7 और इसका आंसर क्या मिला 2. दैट मीन्स डिजिट सम रॉन्ग है, बिकॉज 4 माइनस 3 करेंगे विल गेट 1 एंड यहाँ पे आ गया है 2. दैट मीन्स आंसर इज रॉन्ग. गॉट इट? ओके विधि, you got it? Okay. See, Hetal, 302 प्लस 188, ठीक है. अब बच्चे ने लिख दिया यहाँ पे 0, कैरी फॉरवर्ड भी कर लिया है एक, बट वाइल कैलकुलेटिंग दिस थिंग, अगर वहां पे उसने मिस्टेक करके 9 की जगह पे 8 लिख दिया एंड 4 लिख दिया, ठीक है. दिस इज व्हाट ही रोट. वेरीफाई अगर करने आता है, व्हाट हिल डू, 5, here it will be 8, correct, because 8 and 1 will ignored, so 8 will be the digit sum for this. Clear this much? Then 5 plus 8, because this is addition problem, 5 plus 8 he'll get 13. That means for question part he got digit sum as 4, but in the answer he got 3, because 4 plus 8 will be 13. Sorry, 4 plus 8 he'll get 12, so 12 will be 3, correct. सो आंसर का डिजिट सम अलग आ रहा है, क्वेश्चन का डिजिट सम अलग आ रहा है, दैट मीन्स कहीं पे तो मिस्टेक है. जब तक ये वेरीफाई नहीं हो जाता आंसर एंड क्वेश्चन का डिजिट सम, दैट मीन्स वी आर रॉन्ग समवेयर, करेक्ट. क्लियर? तो हमें एज पर द टीचर्स परस्पेक्टिव हम बच्चों को ये क्विकेस्ट थिंग बता सकते हैं, इनफैक्ट और अपने बच्चों को भी बता सकते हैं, घर में कुछ भी कैलकुलेशन करो, सिंपल 2 डिजिट 3 डिजिट मल्टीप्लीकेशन हो, सब्ट्रैक्शन हो, कुछ भी हो, क्वेश्चन का डिजिट सम ढूंढो और आंसर जो मिला है उसका डिजिट सम ढूंढो. इफ इट इज मैचिंग दैट मीन्स योर आंसर इज करेक्ट, बट इफ इट इज नॉट मैचिंग, जस्ट लाइक दिस, यहाँ पे 3 आया है हमारा और यहाँ पे 4 आया है, दैट मीन्स समवेयर वी आर mistaken. So he can quickly do the same calculation again कि कहीं पे तो मेरी mistake हुई है. He can rectify it and then the answer will be same. Correct. अब यहाँ पे आंसर आ गया. So 9 will be ignored. 4 will be the answer, not 3. So he got the correct answer 4 and 4. Correct. This is how we can teach children also, and in fact we can also verify. What is the rule for this? We have to ignore nines, but when we get answer in 0 or negative, we have to add 9 to it. That is the basic rule of this particular process. And second thing, whatever multiplication, addition, subtraction, whatever we are doing, whatever calculation we are doing, we have to do that procedure only. If it is subtract, then subtract this. If it is addition, then we have to do addition for it. If it is multiplication, we do multiply for this too, then only we'll get the answer verified. Is that clear? Sorry, in multiplication, yes, we have to do the multiplication of both the bijang, then we'll get the answer. Yes, yes, only for verification only. Bijang is digit sum is basically to verify the answer. Okay. But that is the major lack of confidence people are facing, correct? कहाँ पे हमें सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम आता है? See, if child have a calculator with him in the exam hall also, he can verify it immediately. What if he don't have? So this is the mental calculator we can give it to him. This is how he can verify any question, any answer correct है या नहीं है. Clear this much? Any doubt, any question in today's session? Vidhi, from your side, any question, any doubt for Bijang or clear? चार टॉपिक हमने कवर किए आज. इकादी केना, इकायु एना, कॉम्प्लीमेंट एज इन पूरक and digit sum, Bijang. Everything is clear? No doubt in this? Okay, so we have homework for this complement exercise number 1. Full you have to do from page. I'll WhatsApp also this. Exercise number 1, exercise number 2. So till page number 13, you have to do the homework. Okay, both of you clear? Okay. So on Wednesday, we'll meet and we'll do further. Till now, if you face any doubt, you can WhatsApp me anytime. Okay? Okay. Yes. Okay.